Although India's national game is hockey, cricket is by far the most popular sport in India. It is played almost everywhere in the country, from the mountains in north to the beaches in south. Indians' love toward cricket have resulted in India's emergence as world's cricket superpower over the past decade. Today, BCCI or Board of Control for Cricket in India contribute to more than 70% of ICC's revenue. But how did cricket in India rose to such height and prominence? Well, let's find out. Originated in England, cricket came to India via East India Company. The first cricket match in India was played between sailors in 1737. Slowly, some Indians actively involved in making the foreign sport their own formed their own cricket teams. These peoples were various traders which have close ties with British. Thereafter, English sport began to surpass traditional Indian games like Kabaddi in popularity. This gave rise to the formation of BCCI in 1928. Up till 1980s, hockey was considered as the most popular sport in India. But the triumph against England in 1971 and the win in Cricket World Cup in 1983 saw emergence of cricket as the most popular sport in India. Along with increasing popularity, 1992 saw India's economy open up. This resulted in rapid expansion and commercialization of Indian television. After 2003, Indian economy soared up to around 8% to 10% in 2007. Indian consumer market grew with India's middle class and business flourished and went global. Major advertisers using cricket as a means of reaching a huge chunk of population poured millions of dollars for its product advertisement. In 2013, BCCI won a legal fight against Indian government for ability to auction broadcast rights. This resulted private channels willing to build hundreds of millions of dollars to get cricket on their airwaves. For instance, in 2018, broadcasting giant Star India backed the media rights of Indian national team's home as well as domestic cricket series for the next 5 years for staggering 6,138 crore rupees, which is approximately $1 billion. 13 years back in 2008 marks the beginning of IPL or Indian Premier League. IPL has redefined cricket with its fast-paced variety of cricket known as 2020. IPL have provided financial security to the players, has changed the way cricket is being played, and have provided profits to BCCI beyond imagination. Various players of different countries playing against each other in a domestic league have lured lots of fans around the world. This have benefited BCCI a lot as they have backed a record $2.55 billion for IPL media rights as per 2017. A sound domestic league like Ranji Trophy and IPL are nurturing future Indian cricketers by exposing them against international players. This is evident with the back-to-back wins in Australia and West Indies. A solid cricketing fan base, a world-class domestic tournament and a well-structured organization has made cricket in India achieve impossible heights. This have made it sure that Indian cricketing dominance is here to stay.